Oh, okay. Okay, guys. This is where we buy fireworks online. And as you can see, we're buying Echo in the Ear.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can see right there.
Oh, look at your hand.
There.
There's your one.
Stop! As you can see right there. Can you see? Right there. See it?
Oh!
Right there. Right there on my fingers.
Look at your hand.
And it's from, let me see, from Red Apple Fireworks.
What's your fireworks?
We're making it move. Get out the way. Look at this. Look at this. Ugh.
Ah!
It says minimum order of $200 is required. Oh my city. So as you can see, stop touching. As you can see, we're gonna order it when we get freaking. So we're getting Echo in the Ear. Come, Kata. Echo in the Ear. Echo in the Ear. The brand is Window. I'll pause it here.